Meaning of dissertation.
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 Dissertation. A dissertation is a written research project completed by a student pursuing an advanced degree, such as a PhD. It typically presents a detailed and original analysis on a specific topic within the field of study. The result of the dissertation is often seen as a significant contribution to the academic community and can be used to further research in the field. It requires extensive research, critical thinking, and strong writing skills to produce a successful dissertation.